Welcome FY student. Paper is MTH 101 Matrix Algebra video number 3. Unit number 1 Rank of Matrix. This is video of adjoint of matrix. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Minor of an elements. Minor of an elements. Let A equal to Aij n by n. Order is n by n, means number of row and number of column are equal, means this is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. Then the minor of an element Aij is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column from determinant A. The determinant obtained by deleting ith row jth column from determinant A, it is denoted by Mij. Mij minor deleting ith row jth column is called minor of matrix. Cofactor of an element. Let A equal to Aij n by n. N by n means square matrix. Then the cofactor Aij. Then the cofactor of element Aij is denoted by capital Aij and is defined as capital Aij equal to minus 1 raised to this suffix I plus j into Mij. Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Ij suffix I plus j minus 1 raised to I plus j Mij is called cofactor. Adjoint of a matrix. Let A equal to Aij n by n be a square matrix. Then the transpose of cofactor matrix is called adjoint of matrix A. It is denoted by adjoint A. Means interchange rows into column and column into row of cofactor matrix is called adjoint of a matrix. It is denoted by adjoint A. By using this, evaluate first example. Find adjoint A. If A equal to matrix whose first row 2 3, second row minus 1 5. Then find adjoint A. So for that, first write down cofactor. Cofactor elements of A are. Use formula of cofactor Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j Mij. So A11 equal to I is 1, j is 1. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11 is equal to minus 1 square. Now M11 means this is a minor obtained by deleting first row and first column. Deleting first row and first column. Deleting this first row and first column, we get determinant 5. Means minus 1 square into determinant 5 is plus 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Then A12 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 M12 equal to minus 1 cube into minor obtained by deleting first row second column M12 deleting first row and second column, so is determinant minus 1. So minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. A21 by using this formula is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21 equal to minus 1 cube into, now minor M21 is obtained by deleting second row first column, so remains only determinant 3. So minus 1 cube is minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Now A22 is equal to, by using this formula, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 M22 minus 1 raised to 4 into minor obtained by deleting second row and second column, so remains only 2, determinant 2. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 into 2 is plus 2, and therefore cofactor of this matrix is A11 A12 A21 A22 is equal to, first row is 5 1 and second row is minus 3 2. First row 5 1, second row minus 3 2, and therefore adjoint A is equal to transpose of this matrix, interchange rows into column into row. This first row as first column 5 1, second row minus 3 2 as second column minus 3 2 is adjoint of given matrix A. Next example number 2. Find adjoint A. If A equal to determinant whose first row is 1 2 3, second row is 2 4 5, third row is 3 5 6. Then this is a square matrix, so we can find out its adjoint. Cofactor of matrix AR. We know the formula of cofactor Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j Mij. Here A11. Now first cofactor element A11 equal to I is 1, j is 1, so minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11 equal to minus 1 square. Now minor M11 means deleting first row and first column. Deleting first row, first column. Then determinant 4 5 5 6. Determinant 4 5 5 6 equal to minus 1 square is plus 1. Now 6 4s are 24 and minus 5 5s are 25. So this is minus 1. A11 is minus 1. Now second cofactor element is A12 equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j means 1 plus 2 into M12 equal to minus 1 raised to 3 into minor M12 is a determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column. Determined by deleting first row and second column. Delete first row and second column, so we get determinant 2 5 3 6. 2 5 3 6 equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1. Now this expansion of determinant, this product 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15. So minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Now next cofactor element A13. A13 by using this formula minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 M13 equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into determinant. Minor M13 is a determinant obtained by deleting first row, third column. This is first row and this is a third column. So we get determinant 2 4 3 5. Determinant 2 4 3 5. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. Now expansion of determinant 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Next one A21. A21 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21 equal to minus 1 cube into minor M21 is a determinant obtained by deleting second row, first column. Deleting second row and first column, so determinant 2 3 5 6. Determinant 2 3 5 6. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Now this expansion 12 minus 15 equal to minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. Now next is A22 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 M22 equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into minor M22, determinant obtained by deleting second row, second column. M22 minor is obtained by deleting second row, second column, so we get 1 3 3 5. Determinant 1 3 3 6. Determinant 1 3 3 6 equal to minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. Now this product 6 minus 9 equal to minus 3. Next is A23. A23 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 M23 is minus 1 raised to 5 into minor M23 up is a determinant obtained by deleting second row, third column. Second row, third column. So we get determinant 1 2 3 pi. Determinant 1 2 3 pi. Minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. Now expansion 5 minus 6. This is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Now A31. A31 is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 M31 equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into minor M31 obtained by deleting third row, first column. Deleting third row, first column. So determinant 2 3 4 5. Determinant 2 3 4 5. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. Now expansion, this product minus this one. 5 2s are 10 minus 12 is minus 2. A32 is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 M32 is minus 1 raised to 5 into minor is a determinant obtained by deleting third row, second column. Third row and second column. So determinant 1 3 2 5. Determinant 1 3 2 5. Minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1 into expansion 5 minus 6 is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Now A33. A33 equal to, by using this formula, minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 M33 is equal to minus 1 raised to 6 into M33. Minor M33 is a determinant obtained by third row and third column. Third row, third column. So determinant 1, 2, 2, 4 is equal to plus 1. Now expansion 4 minus 4 is 0. And therefore cofactor of A is, this is a first row, then this is second row, and this is the third row. First row is minus 1, 3, minus 2. Minus 1, 3, minus 2. Second row is 3, minus 3, 1. And third row is minus 2, 1, 0. And therefore adjoint, this is cofactor, so adjoint equal to transpose of this matrix, interchange rows into column and column into row, so is equal to this first row as the first column minus 1, 3, minus 2. Second row 3 minus 3, 1 as the second column 3 minus 3, 1. Third row minus 2, 1, 0 as the third column minus 2, 1, 0 is adjoint of a given matrix. Now write down some homework. Find the adjoint of the following matrices. First one, matrix whose first row 1, 2, second row 0, 3. Second, matrix whose first row 2 minus 3, second row minus 2, 5. Third one, matrix whose first row 2 minus 1, second row 3, 2. Fourth one, matrix whose first row 1, 2, 1, second row 3, 1, 0. Third row 4, 1, 2. 5. Matrix whose first row 1, 0, minus 1, second row 2, 3, 1, and third row 0, minus 2, 3. And similarly 6. Find the adjoint of all these matrices. These are homework. Also one MCQ. If A is a square matrix of order n, if A is a square matrix of order n and K is a non-zero scalar, then determine K is equal to dash dash dash. Option A, K raised to n into determinant A. Option B, K raised to n plus 1 into determinant A. Option C, K into determinant A. And option D, K raised to n into A. Answer is A option, K raised to n into determinant A. Dear friend, subscribe this channel and share to our friend. Thank you.